Do you notice that there are times when we overwork ourselves and at night, even though we are tired, it is still difficult to find an easy sleep? There are also times when habitual overthinking creates anxiety, making sleep restless and fragmented. And most people hardly know the specific reasons to overcome what they experience so frequently. You only need to change a few habits to find a peaceful and refreshing sleep. Hello everyone, my name is Tang. Welcome to this meditation for easier sleep from the Lotuszentan meditation channel. This meditation helps you relax both body and mind so you can enter a deep and restful sleep. First, we sit down with eyes closed, the back straight, and begin to relax by placing attention on the in and out breath, observing both body and mind as they are operating. Place your hands in front of the abdomen or on the knees in whatever way feels most comfortable to you. First, you need to relax each part of the body. Take one long, gentle and slow breath, providing enough nourishment for the body to reach its most balanced state. In silent stillness with eyes closed, we observe each part of the body clearly from the top of the head down to the feet. We observe each part clearly to understand whether it is at ease or stuck, and we bring loving, soothing attention to that place. An entire day of work has pulled both our mind and body through countless commands, designs, and tangled calculations, making both body and mind passive in their ability to protect themselves. This is the moment for us to look back at that shortcoming and naturally let go of what is unnecessary that we are holding on to, which makes both body and mind feel heavy. Inhale, gently follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Exhale, feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. We use awareness to observe each small part of the body, starting with the top of the head, then the face and cheekbones, with a gentle smile on the lips to relax the facial muscles and follow a bit of positive energy to spread throughout the body. Next, we release the shoulders to reduce the tension that pressures in our thoughts has been compressing there, and let go of what responsibility have been carrying. We allow ourselves to rest right at the place where work, pressures, thoughts, or burdens are weighing us down, and we let it all go right now. We seek a feeling of comfort and peace. Gently rotate the neck to allow blood to circulate and feel this pleasant sensation. Next, we observe the breath entering the lungs as they expand with a gentle smile and a comfortable feeling. We hold there for 2 seconds to feel it, then continue following the breath down to the lower abdomen below the navel, feeling it expand while remaining relaxed. Holding the breath lightly for a few seconds without strain during the inhale allows more oxygen and nutrients to enter, which is also better for the body. Then gently return the breath to its natural flow, both in and out without forcing. We feel down into both arms and the palms of the hands, which are now warm as we sense the stable pulsing and tingling in the fingers, something only felt when we are quietly and mindfully sitting still. We continue bringing awareness to the back, the hips, the buttocks, where there is also tension, soothing the pressures while still keeping the back straight to maintain a sense of balance. We bring awareness down to the legs, both the areas that are compressed and those that are not, simply to feel them after focusing on the breath, moving through several cycles from top to bottom with love and forgiveness for each outer area of the body. We then move inward into the abdomen, sensing the heart, liver, intestines, lungs, each small part, and at the same time sending love and forgiveness to all of them. Relaxation and letting go will come easily as the pressures have been released. When both body and mind gradually slow down with each breath, becoming gentler than before, we lie down preparing to enter lying meditation and seek a peaceful sleep. Do not switch between many methods. Simply reduce desire and lessen impatience, because you only need to be here and allow everything to be as it is. Inhale, gently follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Exhale, feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. Ignore the echoes in your mind. Simply observe them without chasing after them or judging them. Let the body lie still. Do not move too much to sense a silence between thoughts. Let it be and see where it feels difficult or stuck. Only with a gentle gaze of awareness and feeling. You are often influenced by everyday habits, from thoughts to uncomfortable emotions to seeking out pleasure, and that is normal, or a feeling of wanting to shift into another state when there is not yet any clear sign of calm or sleep is also just a reaction. Foxing and irritation have dominated you too much through habit, and all of this needs gentle, loving kindness to arise within you, to settle down and dissolve the old habits that are running wild. You need to confidently affirm many times in your mind that you are still okay, and say silently to yourself, I allow myself to forgive myself. And all the thoughts that are appearing, whether uncomfortable or pleasant, I look at the sensations in body and mind with compassion, without resisting, without pushing away. I love even the incomplete parts of myself, because they are too gradually coming to rest. I allow on thoughts to come and then to disappear, like a gentle breath that comes and goes. I place trust in myself, in the natural capacity for self-healing that is operating. I do not need to do anything more. I just need to be here and allow myself to let go. I forgive the remaining tensions of the day so that body and mind can soften. I embrace the present sensations with gentleness, as if being safely held and supported. I smile and trust that when I relax, meditative sleep will come naturally. I allow myself to drift gently into sleep in peace, compassion, and loving kindness. As we inhale, we feel calm, relaxation, and comfort. As we exhale, We release and let negative energy fade away. We continue to cultivate trust and gratitude toward everything, and the tangled thoughts begin to dissolve. Inhale gently, follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down through your belly. Exhale, feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. Trust will guide you. Even when the path is not yet clearly visible, you allow that echo to repeat many times in your mind without needing to respond. Trust, and gently despair the discomfort and tension because you are accepting it with forgiveness and loving kindness. Each time it appears, you simply listen and allow it to gradually dissolve into silence. You accept all thoughts as they come and go, like small waves touching the shore and then retreating. When you no longer resist, body and mind naturally soften, and in that letting go, you gently enter sleep meditation. Meditation music and the living environment are very helpful factors that suit you and begin the healing process. But you also need to look deeply into everything, especially the old calculating patterns that are still operating in the mind. When they react out of habit, you only need to recognize them without fixing or resisting. If you let them operate on their own without reacting or becoming irritated, they will gradually lose their force. The body lies still, the breath is natural, and you do not need to control anything further. From there, you are moving in the right direction of lying meditation, where truth rest begins. The work is done. The burden has been set down, and we continue into sleep with a relaxed state of mind. The observed breath now becomes slower and lighter as the whole body and mind decelerate, reducing effort and preparing for a peaceful sleep. Inhale gently, follow the breath as it flows through your nose. Feel your chest and reach down to your belly. Exhale, feel the breath leaving through your nose and notice your belly softening and sinking. Before your eyes and a vast space gradually appears, a deep blue sky, a boundless ocean with gentle waves softly lapping onto a wide sandy shore, or a wide hillside where a light breeze blows in grass and trees sway gently. Your state of mind is now truly calm and settled. Your mind has settled, both body and mind are slowing down. And now you can lie down to feel everything flowing away in peace and drift into sleep. At this state, either you have already fallen asleep, or the mind is no longer stretched by the desire to achieve anything, but naturally settles after being allowed to slow down. It is not caused by thoughts, but is the result of stopping interference, stopping fixing, and stopping control of the inner experience as you practice truth healing lying meditation. When the mind settles, the body responds very clearly. Muscle groups release their grip, the heart rate softens, and the breath becomes steady and deeper without any adjustment. This is when the nervous system shifts from alertness to restoration, creating the foundation for lying meditation to unfold naturally. In the lying posture, you are not required to do meditation, but simply to feel on sensations heavy, light, warm, cool, vibrating, or empty are allowed to arise and fade away in their own rhythm. There is nothing to hold on to and nothing to push away. If thoughts still arise, they no longer have enough force to pull you far. They are like echoes in the distance, radially fading into the quiet. Attention is no longer rigidly focused on a simple point, but softly spreads throughout the body like an all-encompassing presence. It is precisely in this letting be that peace is not something created, but something recognized. You recognize that everything is still flowing, sensations, thoughts, time, yet without friction, without resistance. At this deep level, lying meditation does not aim to bring you into sleep immediately, but allows body and mind to rest completely. And when rest is sufficient, sleep or wakeful awareness can arise naturally, without being pushed, without being controlled. You are gradually erasing all pressures, driven commands, and replacing them with a gentle flow of peaceful sleep. The journey in the game of the breath will become more and more fascinating if you truly cherish it. This practice, just like a habit, is a key to unlocking every doorway within your body and mind. So keep watching and keep practicing with me in this video and the ones to come. If you have any thoughts or reflections, feel free to leave comments below. And if this video helped or inspired you, please click like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thank you.